How to change hair color in Meitu. First of all, open the app and tap on the photo section on the main screen. Select the photo you want to edit from your gallery or camera roll. Once your photo opens in the editing interface, tap on the Beautify section, then select the hair tool. Here you can browse through a variety of hair colors and shades. Tap on the color you like and use the brush or auto detect feature to apply it precisely to your hair. Adjust the intensity and blending to achieve a natural and seamless look. Using the hair color tool in Meitu allows you to try different hair colors without actually dyeing your hair, making it perfect for selfies, portrait, or experimenting with creative style. Combine this with other editing tools like smooth skin, filters, and brightness adjustments for a fully polished photo. Now you know how to change hair color in Meitu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips.